Come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency. Come and see. Defi bully. Nasa Bing Hobby. Subscribe to me. Me just bingo. In a crypto. Brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell. Get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. So what's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Bing Hobby. This is Defi bully. Now, on today's episode, I'm going to do my one-day update with the RocketGame. It's been about a day since I bought in. Okay, the video went crazy, all that. So we're going to talk about my first day's gains and why yours may be where it's at. We're also going to talk about what I personally talked to Rocket Yoda about. That's the creator, and what I helped to change with the site. And also, we're going to be talking about that giveaway they got going on. And some other little things. But before we get into that, please go over to the Defi Bully page. We're on that push. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell because it is time sensitive. And if you guys had that notification bell hit yesterday when I bought in, you probably could have got a little good position on this too. All right? So like this video because that content is coming. We're on that push. So support the channel. All right. Now, with a RocketGame. Okay, look at the gains. Something very different about RocketGame, besides the fact that they pay 10% daily, which is also pretty good and is different from these other forks of baked beans and stuff like that. Look at the site, it's beautiful, it's different, it's creative. They actually try to be a little bit different. They pay 10% daily, and there's a 2% bonus on the refuel. So whenever you hydrate or rebake or compound, refuel, that's their word for compound or recompound, it actually gives you a 2% bonus, which I kind of like. All right, now something very different about this protocol: when you get your referrals or when you add someone joins on your referral link or something like that, they don't just mix it up where you can't really tell. Now they don't have a counter, which would be cool if they had a counter, but the referral bonuses go directly to your wallet, directly under your BUSD in your wallet. See, I invested $300 yesterday and I got my 246 rockets. I didn't have any money in my BUSD in the wallet after that, because you do have to purchase with BUSD, which you have to approve first. So if you were going to deposit, you'll put, like, for example, if you're going to deposit 100 BUSD, you put 100 BUSD, then you press approve BUSD, and then you launch your rocket. And then it'll show you how much rockets you have for that money. Okay. And then also, like I said, your referrals show up directly. So right now I have $36 in referrals. Shout out to those couple people I think that joined and did that. If you guys want to join, the link will be down below. Now the contract balance of this in the first minute shot up tremendously. It was crazy. So the total value locked on this right now is $791,944 BUSD. Now BUSD is pegged to the US dollar. That's Binance US dollar, so it is 1-1 with the US dollar. So that's actually in dollars, 791,000. It did go as high as 850 if I remember properly. Correct me down below if I'm off, but it was in the 800s, and it did go down below a little bit. Now, that's to be expected. It is only the first day, and I believe it's still very early. When more steam builds up about this project, I have no doubt in my mind this is going to be a very good investment for the people. Now, my first day, like I mentioned, I invested $300, and I'm already almost at $50. And with the referrals, this is over $80, almost $90. So, I mean, well, 85, something like that. So, wow, my math is way off. But yeah, it's definitely over $80. Okay, with the referrals combined. But as far as the rewards go, which I like, that's what I like about this system where they separate the referrals. You can actually see the rewards, and I could demonstrate to you guys or tell you guys how everything is moving. So on my end, I made about this in about a day and about 1 hour, I believe, a day and an hour. So that's pretty good to me. What else I said I was going to talk about? Oh, it shows you your unlocked level of referral bonuses. So depending on how much you deposit, you unlock a certain level. I believe the level 1 is $50. Level 2, I believe, is through 300 or 200. And then level 3 is 500 BUSD. All right, and they add an additional percentage for each level unlocked. I like that. Innovation, creativity and innovation. All right, so what did I do to change the site? Now, originally, if you guys had bought in early, you would have seen it said referral reward section, although this is in the referral reward section. So I talked to the dev personally, and I was like, yeah, there's something kind of confusing about the site and such and such. And then he explained to me that the referral rewards actually go directly to your wallet. I appreciate you for that, Rocket Yoda. Okay, and also, so he explained all of that to me, and then I also pointed out that this part said referral rewards. So he said he'll take that into consideration. A little later, I went up and it was corrected. Now it just said rewards section. So yeah, you guys could thank me for that. DeFi Bully, we putting in work for the community. Let's go. Let's make RocketGame the next best miner ever. Let's rocket off to the moon, not the sun, like they said in the AMA yesterday. Now I believe they will be having a video chat a little later from this. So you guys can go to the Telegram group and check that out right here. I like how they make everything so convenient. The contract, the audit, the white paper, and the giveaway. If you guys want to take part of the giveaway, which I believe I already started taking part of, you have to go to the $2,000 giveaway, and you got to follow the steps. You got to follow on Twitter, join the Telegram, add your wallet address, and then send a screenshot to the Telegram group with your investment. And I believe this is over on the 26th, which is 2 days from now. So you guys got to hop into it from early. Yeah, so that's how you enter in for that $2,000 BUSD giveaway. And that's something cool. Who wouldn't want an extra $2,000 in their wallet? I mean, I'll take that. I'll take it. Free money, I'll take it. I'll take it. All right, so boom. So back over to here. What do I feel about this project moving forward? I really have high hopes for it. Like I said, it seems different. It's innovative. And there's also some other things going on. There's not really that many projects that's catching my eye so far. We all seen what happened to Tsunami the other day. Tsunami actually rugged. So if you invest in that, I apologize. I mean, it's not my fault. I ain't have nothing to do with it. But from what I heard is the creator actually did a video chat a little earlier and said one of the devs left some type of exploit in a contract where they was able to drain it, and it wasn't his fault or whatever. And I believe he's the same creator behind Cash Cow, or they're the same team behind Cash Cow. So I personally think they should just focus on Cash Cow or whatever. They plan on bringing Tsunami to the Binance Smart Chain. We'll see how that goes. I ain't really worried about that right now. Right now it's RocketGame. Let's go. 10% a day. Oh my God. I'm gonna hit this refuel button in a minute. I wanted to hit 50. I wanted to hit 50 to not hit refuel. You see? All right, people, I'm gonna keep this one nice, short, and sweet. But please remember, this is not financial advice.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.